Today, I'm going to show you how to resize or crop an image using the new Google Sites. Whether you're creating a personal web page or a project for school or work, editing images directly in Google Sites can be incredibly useful. First, click on the image you want to resize or crop. If it's not uploaded yet, click the upload button and select the image from your computer or Google Drive. Once your image is visible, resizing is simple. You'll see a blue circle around the image border. Click and drag it inward or outward to adjust the size. Make sure to maintain the image's proportions to avoid distortion unless you want a customized effect. To crop an image, click the crop icon, usually shown as a rectangle with overlapping corners. Drag the corners to select the area you want to keep. This is helpful for focusing on a specific part of the image or removing unwanted sections to fit your page design. After making your adjustments, preview your site to ensure the image fits well with the overall layout. Visual balance is key for creating appealing web pages, so take a moment to assess how it looks. With these tools, you can customize your images to perfectly match your site's theme, giving your pages a polished and professional look. And that's it. You now know how to resize and crop images directly within Google Sites. Keep exploring its features to create stunning web pages.